Folks, we have one of the best cars that have rolled through our showroom. This is a 1967 S-Code GTA documented with the Marti report. There's $130,000 in upgrades here. This has a new state-of-the-art Roadster Shop chassis. It's a full-frame chassis. It has a new crate Coyote Gen 2 motor under the hood, matched up to its overdrive automatic trans. It has the best brakes. You name it. We're going to go through it all. This car is killer. 70 miles since it's been finished, and it is meticulous. It is dialed in. This is the real deal. This is quality. This would make anyone happy. Go to volocars.com to find out the price tag on this and 200 other collector cars for sale. And each one does have a monthly finance payment as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. I'm hoping I do the car justice, but I think the car will speak for itself. This is an outstanding vehicle in every respect. So it has the louvered hood with the turn signals built in. The body work is phenomenal. It's actually just like red glass. Everything fits real nicely. It's kept pretty stock. He wanted that retro vibe to it. Doesn't have Shelby scoops and flares and flared wheel wells or Eleanor package. It's a pretty stock Mustang that is restored better than the factory. I love this little line right down the middle of the roof there, the louvers on the quarter. All this is excellent. What a good looking style design. This has the factory optional louvered tail panel. You don't see that often. I get a lot of Mustangs. I don't see that often. Again, the fit and finish is precise. It's like glass. There's really nothing to report to you as far as a defect that I'm finding anywhere. All of it's outstanding. It all fits beautifully. Shuts like a new car. So the body and paint is incredible. All the glass was replaced. All the trim was replaced. Moldings, vent window frames, mirrors, handles, you name it. And everything fits right. They didn't just throw new parts on here. It all was assembled with care and craftsmanship quality. Up front, it has the GT fog lamps. All of this is new. It has these high-tech headlights, and I believe that's the turn signals built right into them. I could be wrong. We'll try them out. It has the GTA stripe along the bottom. I'll call them the Eleanor style wheel. That's what they remind me of. They're 17-inch. I think they're Coyote wheels with Nitto performance tires. And again, there's only 70 miles on this car. Gentleman that built it was building it for himself. Unfortunately, he had some health issues, and that's why he sold the car. Otherwise, he would have been keeping this one. Put a lot of pride and effort into it. Let's open it up. I got so much more to show you. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon so you're notified when the new ones are posted. You may want to use that Buy It Now button on this car. That's on our website too. All painted real nice. These are actually custom billet hinges. They're now black. I don't know if they're powder coated or painted. New weather strips. So yeah, all that's done nice. So the whole inside of the trunk is boxed, carpeted, upholstered. It's got an $8,000 stereo system in the car, a 1,000-watt amplifier, battery, and a safety box with a master kill switch. Latches are new, so it's a really nice trunk compartment. Yeah, Buy It Now button gets it locked in for you, so no one else can grab it. Door jambs are slick, all the latches are new, weather strips are replaced and fit right, all the window seals. So it has some really nice deluxe door panels, little billet door lock knobs with the custom speaker enclosure. You got two 5.5-inch speakers with tweeters. It's all new. So the whole instrument panel is replaced, has a nice set of white Phantom gauges. Match set, there's 70 miles on the odometer. Again, all new vents, trim, dash pad, kick panels, all the interior lights work. There's our inspection sheet. During our inspection, we just dialed in a few things. We calibrated the speedometer. He told me we had to charge the air. We did that. Just a few things like that. Pony floor mats. This is a Shelby style console with a factory style shifter. We got cup holders. We got toggle power window switches. Everything's trimmed in black with red stitching. Really nice sport seats that recline. Very comfortable. And the back is the sport deck that folds down flat, and that's all upholstered to match the front. You see some 6x9 speakers, and then there's a couple of 12-inch subwoofers in the back. All that is new. The stereo cranks in this car, Bluetooth. It has the overhead console. It's a factory option, like pristine shape, all new headliner, visors, mirror. Nice leather-wrapped Mustang wheel on a tilt column. The whole car has modern wiring. Everywhere is new, even the places you can't see. There's sound deadener. Everything's been redone, and redone right from what I'm seeing. And the guys around the shop bragging about it. Michael actually called me while he was doing his test drive right after he finished and said, "Oh my God, Jay, you got to take this car home tonight." He's in love. Look what a clean installation that is. That is a new crate Coyote Gen 2 motor. I think they're 435 horsepower. All the specs will be on our website, and you can Google it as well. So that's a crate assembled motor. That's going to give you the ultimate performance and reliability. Stainless steel headers. Now look at the engine bay. Look how clean it is. Where's all the wiring and the clutter? It's all hidden. Look at the AC and heater hoses. They run inside the inner fender. The shock towers have been replaced because all the new modern suspension is all down below the car. You got power steering, nice cold air intake, serpentine belt, big C&R aluminum radiator, dual electric fans. Has a nice mesh over the hose. Has a billet overflow where air conditioning's hiding down there somewhere. That master cylinder is billet. It's an electric power brake. I know you don't see a power brake booster because they're electric. The hinges are billet. Even underside the hood is pristine. So you guys are going to really enjoy this test drive. Wish I could be there. We'll see you in about 3 minutes.
Really special car here today, a 1967 Ford Mustang resto-mod. This has the 5-liter Coyote motor with it. Everything's brand new on this car, 67 miles since the build. It's got the 5-speed automatic transmission, and the real big deal about this car is that it has a full Roadster Shop coilover spec series chassis underneath. This car is absolutely brand new, top to bottom. Every nut, every bolt of it is just amazing. We're getting beeps. People are excited to see this thing out on the street, and I am excited to drive it. This motor has a ton of power, as I'm sure you're all aware. All right, we're gonna give this a rip, see what she's got. It's gonna be fun. Hang on tight. Oh, yeah, buddy. Woo! This thing is sweet. More than enough power. Handles the bumps nicely. Steers absolutely beautiful. I mean, you know, for a car like this to have just that turnkey reliability of that 5.0 Coyote with the fuel injection and have that kind of power is just a really, really special combination. This car has been dialed in, again, down to the chassis. It's just driving straight and beautiful. Absolutely amazing vehicle. I cannot stress to you enough. We are about an hour drive outside of Chicago, about 30-minute drive from O'Hare International Airport. If you want to come in and inspect this vehicle yourself, by all means, you're more than welcome to come out, take it for a test drive yourself. I would recommend clicking the Buy It Now button because this one is not going to be around for long. Absolutely amazing. Don't sleep on this one. Click the Buy It Now button.
So underneath this car is where all the magic's really happening. It has the Roadster Shop chassis. I don't know if you've heard of them, but anyone in the hot rod world certainly has. It's a $30,000 chassis. They recently started making them for the Mustang, so there's not too many out there even floating around available. It is a front to back, full frame, all the latest technology, aluminum control arms, rack and pinion steering, heavy duty sway bar. In back is a 4-link system with tubular control arms. It's got a sway bar, coil over adjustable shocks at all the corners. Gives it an incredible ride and feel and handling. Got pretty expensive Wilwood brake system. There's 6 piston calipers in front, big 13 or 14 inch drilled and slotted rotors at all 4 wheels, red calipers. Like I said earlier, it's an electric power brake system. Nice custom-made fat stainless steel, all welded dual exhaust system with the factory GT tips coming out the back. Of course, all new fuel system. You look up at the motors, like brand new. The transmission's also brand new. It's the modern Ford overdrive automatic. It's a crate transmission mated to this engine. Custom aluminum drive shaft goes back to a brand new Ford 9-inch rear end with posi. Everything under there is new, all painted black and all spotless. And then the original floors of the car are rust-free, and they have a nice, even black undercoat on the floors. I probably left some details out, but overall, this car is incredible. His thought when he was building it, he did start with a real GTA S-Code 390 car, so he wanted to retain the vintage style, and he went with the automatic because that's what was born with, the GTA. Incredible car. He put a lot of effort into making this thing just right, and now you can take advantage of that. Go to volocars.com. Salesman will help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door, how to get it financed. Thanks for watching.